Hi guys, welcome to Tito's Tutor, your math pedagogue. In today's video, we're going to continue with our series on common entrance questions. First question, in the triangle below, find the value of y degrees. As soon as you see two strokes on two sides of a triangle, that means this side and this side are the same. When two sides of a triangle are the same, that means it's an isosceles triangle. And the property of an isosceles triangle is the base angles are the same. So if this is y degrees, this will be y degrees as well. Now we are done knowing what our interior angles should represent. Another theorem in triangles is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle always sum up to 1/8. That means 70 plus y must be equal to 180. So y plus y is 2y plus 70 is equal to 180. Let's collect like terms. We're taking this 7 to the other side. It becomes minus 70 minus 70. 2y stands on its own. 180 minus 70 is 110. I'm not looking for 2y. I'm looking for just y. So I divide this by 2, divide this by 2 as well. This 2 cancels this 2. My y stands on its own. 110 divided by 2 is 55 degrees. And I'm done. Question 2. The ratio of the ages of Ali and Obi is 2:3. If Ali is 8 years old, how old is Obi? Remember, the ratio is written according to the way the names were written. So because Ali came first, he has 2 ratio. Obi came next. His ratio is 3. Ali is 8 years old. You tell yourself, what did I do to 2 to make it 8? 8 is bigger, so that means I multiplied the number. Multiplication increases your values. Okay, so what do I multiply by 2 to give me 8? Definitely 4. So I'm going to multiply that with Obi's age so it can be equal ratio. All right, so 4 times 2 is 8 years. 3 times 4 is 12 years. That means, therefore, Obi is 12 years old. And I'm done. If you're still watching till now, I want to say a big thank you to you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notification. Number 3, the average speed of a car is 120 km/h. How far can it go in 45 minutes? So remember, the formula for speed is equal to distance. How far means distance. Distance divided by time. This is a formula for speed. So we need to come to the question and find out what is our speed. Let's S for speed is 120 km/h. Time, T for time, is 45 minutes. And D for distance, we do not know. And that's what we're looking for. Okay, so let's substitute our values into our formula. But before we substitute, you must always note the unit of your speed. The unit of your speed is kilometer per hour. So your distance must be in kilometer, your time must be in hour. But the time given to us is in minutes. So we convert it to hour before we can use it. Okay? So this is the same as 45 all over 60. 15 all over 20. 3 all over 4. This is the simplest form for our 3 over 4 hours. So now I can substitute. For speed, I write 120. For distance, I write d. I'm going to divide it by 3 over 4. If you notice, I didn't use the fraction line because I don't want you to get confused, okay? So fraction line also means division. Remember, whenever you're dividing decimals, you change to multiplication and flip your fraction that comes after the division. So it is keep, change, and flip. Now you can multiply straight, okay? So this is 120 is equal to d times 4, 4d. So 1 times 3, 3 over 1. When two fractions equate each other in math, what do? You cross multiply. Okay, this is a fraction, this is another fraction, and they're equating each other. So we cross multiply. 4d times 1 is 4d. Okay, 120 times 3. Okay, 120 times 3. Then I'm not looking for 4d, I'm looking for just d. So over 4 over 4. My 4 cancels 4. I'm left with just my d. 4 here 1, 4 here 30. 30 times 3, 90 kilometer is my distance, and I'm done. If you like this video and you have learned something from it, I want you to please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends, turn on notification so you don't miss any math video from me. Thank you for watching.